Alright guys, hapon ako lumabas kasi kagabi pagod na pagod ako sa dami ng binyahe ko. So this time pupunta ako to meet with Santa Claus. So hopefully magkaroon ng photo ops with Santa Claus dito sa Santa Claus Village sa Rovaniemi, Finland. Okay, nandito tayo ngayon to meet with Santa. So hopefully we photo ops. Hey, Santa Claus. I can hear people. Yeah, may reindeer. Ayan, may reindeer pa rito sa loob. Alright, let's go and proceed. Just follow the footsteps here. Yeah, there we go. Free entrance. Bus schedule and weather information. So, ayan ang mga activities dito na pwede naman gawin, especially in the winter time na merong snow. Yay! It's fun! So ngayon, September, wala pa siyang snow. So, if you want to come and join the fun, mas maganda pagka winter time talaga. Yung merong snow. Tapos yung photo session at nandito na ngayon, nagbayad na ako. So, ayan ang area. Napakaganda rito sa loob. Ang binayaran ko is 30 euro money sa isang maliit na photo. But it's all good. It's for the experience. Okay. Hey, by the way guys, napakalambot ng kamay ni Santa. So I think yan lang ang ginagawa niya kapag kamay sa mga tao. Super lambot ng kamay niya. Hey, look at all these. All Christmas decors and everything. Wow. Super. Alright, so let's go here inside. And tingnan natin kung ito ba yung souvenir shop. Ooh, more Santa stuff. Wow. Okay, so kung nalimutan yung aking jacket, I think marami rito na mabibili. This is Finland. Cute, cute. There's a coffee bar as well. Yung maleta. Yun. May beef jerkies. A lot of stuff. May mga payong din in case umulan. Lots of hot chocolate. So, imbis na pasalubong, videohan ko na lang para tipid. Diba? Kasi tipid trip ito eh. And cute, cute. There's so much to buy. Too many things. May mga socks. Jackets. Beautiful. Wow. Reindeers hide. Beautiful.